Hi everyone, welcome again. So today we are going to unbox a very nice product. It is the Philips S-Line 24-inch LCD monitor, full HD. So this has features like wide viewing angle, three-sided frameless screen, built-in speakers, smart connect, which includes USB, DP, VGA, DVI and HDMI, and smart ergo base, so you can tilt it to see the different angles and views, and it has a very nice wide viewing angle. So let's get started. It's a standard box. So the actual screen is 23.8 inches. So that's the top. It's a Philips monitor. That's the bottom, and that's the other side. So let's get started. So with the product itself, you get all of these different cables. I wasn't entirely sure. So what I did, I also actually bought a HDMI cable as well. So this is the base, like the base. Oh wow, yes, so that's the base of the computer. Okay, there is the screw. Okay, it has to be screwed into the base. Understood. Oh, so basically you get two types of plug. One is the European Asian plug. Another is the UK plug. It's great if you're traveling and traveling in Europe or Asia. It's very good. So that is the information manual, quick start guides. Oh, and that is the energy use sticker as well. It's a D category energy usage. Okay, cool. So this is the back part of the monitor, the stand. So that's the stand. Figure out how that goes. And this is the actual monitor. Oh, very nice. There you go. That is the actual monitor, and that's the stand. Thank you for watching. So these are all the contents of the box. I'll share another video to share the review. Thank you.